Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Nitra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 4. Students, today we are starting our chapter fractions. Okay. So, fraction. What is fraction? Look, this is a bhakri, okay, or roti you can take. This is a one single roti, whole roti, okay. If I divided between two parts, if I divided this roti between two parts, okay, one for you and one for your brother, so it will look like this, right? This is the division. I equally divided between two parts. So this is a half roti and this is another half. This is for you, this is for your brother, okay. So what I make here, this is a whole bhakri. I made two parts of the bhakri, so I made half of the bhakri, right? So this is the half of the bhakri. So half is written like this. It means out of two parts, one part. Out of two parts, one part. Look, this is called half. This is what called half. Understood, student? Half means the object is divided into two equal parts. Look, when any object is divided into two equal parts, then each of the part is one half of the object. Understood? It means, what is the half of the two? 1. What is the half of the two? 1. Understood? This is called half, and one half of the whole is fraction. Is shown by the fraction is 1 upon 2. This is called the fraction. Understood? Okay. Now we have seen half. Now we will see quarters. Now quarter means what? Look, again this one single roti or bhakri. Okay. Now here I made 4 equal parts. So here I made 4 equal parts of a single bhakri. So here look, this one part, out of the 4 part, this one single part is called quarter of this roti. Understood? What is quarter? Out of 4 parts, one single part is called quarter. 1 quarter. Okay. So when any object is divided into 4 equal parts, look, 4 equal parts. So each of those part is a quarter of the whole. And how quarter, right? 1 upon 4. This is a quarter. It means out of 4 parts there is 1 part. Okay. So 1 quarter is shown by the fraction 1/4. So numbers such as, look, half and 1/4 are called fraction. When we write number like this, these are called fraction. Now when we write fraction, the above number means this is a horizontal line. So the above number is called numerator. The above number is called numerator, and the number below the horizontal line is called denominator. Understood, students? So look, half is read as like 1/2 or 1 upon 2, and 1/4 is read as like 1/4 or 1 quarter or 1 upon 4. Understood, students? We have seen one half and 1 quarter. Now we will see 3 quarters. Okay, what we will see? 3 quarters. Now look, here is a cake. Okay, and a cake is divided between 4 equal parts. Okay, a cake is divided between 4 equal parts. Just like one for Sonu, one for Ram, one for Sham, and one for me. Okay, so cake is divided between 4 equal parts. Now this quarter part I am keeping beside, and these 3 parts I am giving. Okay, so how many parts I am giving? 3. Out of how many? 4. Understood? Total 4 parts, and I am giving 3 parts. That this is called 3 quarter. This is called 3 quarter. Means 1/4 means 1 quarter plus 1 quarter plus 1 quarter. Means how many I am giving? 1, 2, 3 out of 4 parts. Understood? This is called 3 quarters. So when an object is divided into 4 equal parts, 3 of its parts taken together are called 3 quarters. So this is shown by the fraction 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is written as 3/4 or 3 upon 4. Hope you are understanding, students. Look some more fractions. Now you can see a circle. A circle is divided into how many parts? Look, count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Circle is divided between 5 parts, equal parts. So how many parts colored? 1, 2, 3. It means 3 parts out of 5 parts are colored, right? And how many parts are not colored? 2 parts out of 5 parts. So this is called fraction. Okay, understood? Or you can say like this 1/5, this 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. These 3 parts are colored. So together they make 3/5. Understood? So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 are together called 3/5. Together make 3/5. So these 3/5 parts are colored, and how many parts are not colored? 2 parts. This denominator 5 shows number of total parts. Always remember, denominator shows number of total parts, and numerator shows how many part is colored or not colored. Understood? So when an object is divided into 5 equal parts, 3 of them taken, that part is shown as 3/5. Here the denominator 5 shows how many equal parts are made of the whole, and the numerator 3 shows how many of these are taken. Understood? See the next one. Now here how many strips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strips. Okay, now 2 strips are colored. So how will you write? How many total strips? 7. Out of how many colored? 2. So 2 upon 7. Understood? It means 2 parts taken, that is colored, and out of 7 parts. And how many parts are not colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 upon 7 are not colored. It means total. Denominator shows total parts. So total parts are 7 total parts. Out of 5 are not colored. Understood, students? Okay. Now different meaning of fractions. Different meaning of fractions. Now look here. Amita was given 2 parts out of 3 equal parts of a bhakri. This is a bhakri. Amita given 2 parts to Amita. Okay. So this means Amita has this 2 parts. Means out of 3 parts, 2 parts she has. So this 2/3 part given to Amita. Now look here. 2 bhakris of the same size as Amita's have to be divided equally between 3 girls. Sadhana, Anushka and Preeti. Now these are 3 girls, Sadhana, Preeti and Anushka. As Amita given 2 equal parts, these 3 girls also want equal parts. So how we will give? Now we have 2 bhakris, right? So out of this bhakri, 1/3 part I will give Sadhana, 1/3 part to Preeti and 1/3 part to Anushka. So all have given 1/3 part. Okay, and in another bhakri, 1/3 part to Sadhana, again 1/3 part to Preeti and 1/3 part to Anushka. It means, look the colored part. Sadhana having this stripped wala part. So this one and this 2. So she is getting 1/3 plus 1/3, mean 1/3 plus 1/3. So how many she is getting? 2/3. It is just equal like Amita, right? Again look Anushka share. Again Anushka is having 1/3 plus this 1/3. So again she is having how much? 2/3. And Preeti is same. Look, 1/3 and this 1/3. So she is having 2/3. Right? Means each girl was given a 1/3 part twice, 2 times. So each got 1/3 plus 1/3 is what? 2/3. Understood? It means that 2/3 can be explained in 3 different ways. How? 2 parts out of 3 equal parts of an object. We can call it 2 parts out of 3. 2 parts out of 3 equal parts. Okay, 1/3 twice, which means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, which also means 2 into 1 upon 3, or 2 times 1 upon 3. Okay, or equal division of two objects between three people. Understood, students? Now student, this is exercise for you. Look, complete the following table. Look, your fraction is given. We have to add it, multiplication of it, and how many times it occurs. So fraction is 4 upon 5, that is 4 parts of 5 object. So addition will be 4 times we will add it. So 1 upon 5th. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. As add, we can multiply it. We are adding 4 times, so we will multiply by 4. And how many times it is? 4 times 1 upon 5. Understood? You have to do the same. Similarly, look here. Shape is given. You have to write what is shaded fraction, reading of it, what is unshaded fraction, and reading of it. Understood? Look this question. Write the given fraction in the blue box and color an equal part in the given shape. Now 2/3. So 2/3 is given here. So 2/3 means 2 parts out of 3. So 2/3 part I have shaded here. Look. 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8 means 4 upon 8. So out of 8 parts 4 is shaded. So look. Understood? You have to do it in your textbook. Understood, students? Hope you are understanding, students, the fraction chapter. Thank you so much. Happy learning.